Hello children, welcome back to Rini Ma'am's class. Today we are going to learn more about punctuation. I know in previous classes you have gone through punctuation and you have known more about it. But today we are going to know more about the different symbols which are used in punctuation, right? Are you ready children? Yes. First is this comma. I think we should take a break for just a second. Then next is full stop. I think we should stop altogether. What are you guys talking about? This is the question mark. And here comes the exclamation mark. I agree. Why do we need punctuation? Let's know from this sentence. Let's eat, Grandma. So, what is Grandma is saying? What? Let's eat, Grandma. We are going to eat up, Grandma. Oh my God. But here, if we put a comma after eat, let's eat, Grandma. So, it tells that we take the permission that we start eating. Right? So, punctuation saves lives, isn't it? Punctuation allows the author's writing to be easy to read and understandable for the reader. Punctuation personalities. There are so many punctuation like full stop, comma, dash, exclamation mark, question mark, semicolon, ellipsis. So full stop. It always likes to finish things. We complete the sentence with a full stop. Then comma, likes to stop and take a breath often while speaking. Dash, often interrupts others to add their own thoughts. And exclamation here is loud, excitable and bossy. Makes himself heard. Then question mark, likes to find out about everyone and everything. Semicolon, loves to bring similar things together. Ellipsis, often gets distracted, trails off on a tangent and takes long breaks. So we are going to understand more about these punctuations in detail. First, full stop is also known as period. I am a period. I look just like a dot. Every time you see me, you must stop, stop, stop. So, period is used to mark the end of the sentence, to mark the end of a group of words used to emphasize a statement, like I kept seeing the picture again and again. In some abbreviations, example AM, PM. In websites and email address, example www.etv.co.in. So, we use period or full stop in all these matters. Then comes comma. I am a comma. I look just like a hook. Every time you see me, slow down and look. A comma separates items in a list and shows a break in a sentence. Every time you see a comma, you must take a little rest. Before bed each night, I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, and then I read a book. In direct speech, to separate the reporting speech from the reported verb, we use comma. Before and after phrases and clauses that can be expanded into a sentence. Use a comma to set off a tag question from the rest of the sentence. It's true, isn't it? So we have used comma after true. Use a comma to separate an introductory element from the rest of the sentence. As the day came to an end, the firefighters put out the last spark. Use a comma to set off the words yes and no, like yes, comma, thank you. Use a comma to indicate direct address. Is that you, Steve? Use commas between words in a series. Notice that a comma does not follow the last word in the series. I love to eat apples, pears, bananas, grapes, and oranges. Then the rules for using comma. Use a comma to separate words or items in a list. Example, she has 2 dogs, 3 cats, 1 bird and 5 fish in her house. Second, use comma to separate a city from its state. Example, I am from East Lansing, Michigan. Use a comma to separate the day of the month from the year. For example, he was born on August 4th, 1990. Use a comma to separate two adjectives when the word and can be inserted between them. She was young, beautiful dog. So I hope the comma concept is clear to you. Now comes the question mark. Use a question mark only after a direct question. Will you come over after school? Questions are of two types, yes or no questions and WH questions like why, when, which, who, where, how. Now we come to next is exclamation mark. We use the exclamation mark to show emphasis or excitement. Summer is in 3 months. It tells you that, wow, summer is in 3 months. So exclamation points. First is use an exclamation point after an exclamatory sentence which shows strong feelings. Mom, I just saw a rattlesnake. So this is an exclamation over here, exclamation mark here. Second, use an exclamation point after an interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that shows strong feeling. Cool, let's do it. So exclamation words like wow, stop, awesome, absolutely, hooray, help, yes, nice, good job, I'm angry, watch out, yes please. So these all comes as exclamation mark. Next comes quotation marks. Use quotation marks to set off a direct quotation. Means that speaker says the same words are quoted, they are within the quoted marks. What is your favorite color? She asked. Second, periods and commas always go inside quotation marks. I don't want to go to school today, Alan said. So, quotation marks and exclamation marks go outside the closing quotation mark. Question marks and exclamation marks go outside the closing quotation mark if what is being quoted is actually a question or an exclamation. Otherwise, they too go inside the quotation mark. For an example, did she actually say, I don't like rasgulla? So here, I don't like rasgulla is within the quotation marks because it is exactly what has been said by her. I cannot believe that Twilight Sparkle turned into a princess. So this is coming under, this princess is coming under quotation mark. Then next is, as she ran out of the building, she screamed, fire. So here, fire is coming under the quotation mark. Now comes the next is apostrophe. I am a hungry apostrophe. Birds are very scared of me. Eating letters here and there, the floating up in the air. So it eats up the letters. Means the apostrophe is used when combining two words. It is always placed in the spot where the letters S have been removed, like she's, she is. So here we use it apostrophe S. Only allowed candy on Friday. She is only allowed candy on Friday. We use apostrophe to show possession. They found Miss Corner's gloves. Apostrophe S means those gloves belongs to Miss Corner. I am a possessive apostrophe. I say what belongs to whom. It might be mine or yours or theirs. Once I am done, I sit upstairs. Then comes parenthesis. Use parenthesis to enclose words or figures that clarify or are used as an aside. He received 150 points on his math project. So 150 is within the parenthesis. Parentheses are used to enclose information or comments to help explain. For example, Mom gave me a nice gift. So what is that gift? A bike for my birthday. Now we come to next is semicolon to make two sentences into one. Example, I like running. I also enjoy swimming. So we have made these two sentences into one by using semicolon between running and in I also enjoy swimming. Use before however and therefore when you join sentences. Like, I have just had a big meal. However, I am hungry again. Semicolon is also used to separate items in a list if the items already have commas. She got lost in Orlando, Florida, Toronto, Canada, and Chicago, Illinois. Used to separate two main clauses that are closely related to each other but could not stand on their own as sentences. I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go out tonight. So it is just separating two main clauses. The next is colon. Use the colon after a complete sentence to introduce a list of items. Example, on my trip I will bring clothes, a pillow, a sleeping bag, a toothbrush and my teddy bear. So bring and then colon is there. So what I am going to bring, all the list is here. Colons are used at the end of a sentence or a clause to show an answer, elaboration or explanation follows. I would like the following: milk, cheese and butter. I have two hobbies, reading and running. Use the colon after the greeting of the person's name in a business letter. Example, Dear Mr. Smith. It is used between two clauses where the second one introduces the first. It is difficult, we have to stay indoor for such a long time. To separate hours, minutes and seconds. Like 9 hours, 45 minutes, 15 seconds. Dear children, complete the exercises in your grammar book. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, stay happy.